Okay. Put the garlic, wait until it's golden brown. Now put the onions.
Onion.
Now put the ginger.
Ginger.
Naku, may nang tubig kasi
Ang malakas ng ginger. Then we'll add the pork meat. Pork meat is optional.
Let's keep on stirring until it's done. We will see if it's golden brown. Now it's time to put the dried anchovies. We will put the half part only.
Taro stem. Okay. Ilang kilo yan, ma? Dalawa? Fresh na fresh po siya, hindi siya dried. Kasi ano po to? Nagmamadali.
Fresh po yung order niya.
Fresh po yung order ni Mayor.
Now it's time to stir so that all the ingredients will mix together.
Second gata. Ayon kay mother. Dami.
Tapos, takpan muna
Tapos,
natin.
cover. Let's cover. Wow, ang laki na cover namin. Flex ko lang po yung takip. Match na match siya sa aming kawali. Ang galing, di ba?
Now it's time to put all the seasonings.
Salt. Salt to taste. Yeah. Seasonings. Yes. Shrimp cubes and bird chili red. Yes. Super spicy. Sarap. Okay, finally, the leaves. Fresh leaves po siya. Fresh leaves, not dried. Yes.
Now it's time to add the coconut milk. The first one. First is squeezed coconut milk. And let's just wait for it to dry.
Ito yung konti. malapit na siya maluto.